Hey guys, so today I'm going to attempt to vlog. I'm going to try to be vlogging. Ignore my messy room in the background. I'm in front of my mirror and it's the only place where I can get enough light. I'm going to be vlogging on my phone because I've never vlogged before, so I want to have something that I could carry around with me. So I'm all dressed up, waiting for my friends to come get me. We're going to the beach, and I'm really hoping that it's gonna be fun. We really don't have anything planned. We just want to go get some drinks. Okay, first we're gonna go to the store because I want to get a new pair of like flip-flops or sandals, and then we're gonna go to the beach. So I'm really hoping it's going to be fun. It's just the three of us, so hopefully we just get some drinks, go chill at the beach, nothing major. For my outfit, I'm wearing this kimono. I got it from Target, I think last summer. And just some shorts I got from a random store, and some sandals, and my snap tats or my flash tattoos or whatever these things are called, the metallic ones. I got these from Marshall's, and this is just my face of the day. Nothing too major. I know it's too major for the beach, but I want to take some pictures, so I decided to look all glam and stuff. Yeah, so I'm basically waiting for my friends. Their house is kind of far from mine, so pretty sure they'll be here soon. I'm not trying to make this vlog too long because I haven't even gone out yet, so I'll see you guys probably when I'm at the store or when I get to the beach. Bye. Okay, you guys say hi.
Hey!
Hi. What's your name? Introduce yourself.
Stellar! My name is Stellar.
You introduce yourself. My name is Stellar. My name is Stellar.
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 My name is Formy.
Formy. Okay, so we're going to the store. I want to try to get sandals. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around. I was watching this girl yesterday, and she said I should make a video and then she was clothing for everyone. Okay, so we're inside the store. Payless actually. I want to get sandals. I really hope that I get like sandals I like. Oh, nice. I'm gonna try to find a mirror. Payless is supposed to have mirrors where you can like show your outfit, so I'm gonna do that for you guys.
Hey!
It's okay, you said hey before. Okay, so we're done getting sandals. I got a new pair of sandals.
Yeah, we did.
And then we're basically just going window shopping now.
Uh-huh.
These girls are fools. I don't know how I found friends
We're
like
just
this.
excited.
Yeah, we're happy because like we're on break and stuff, so we don't have to go to school. Oh my god. It's a lot of people here today. You would think they wouldn't be here on a Monday, but I think lots of people are on break too. Most of them here on vacation actually. I placed this thing on my thing the wrong way. It was after I placed it, I was like, okay, this was wrong. So I placed it going upwards because now that it's down,
It's now going back.
I feel like it's kind of, oh
No!
my, I'm too scared, no. I'm so scared. Do you want to put that thing on you? Ah. Make a video of me, Stella. Keep vlogging me. I want to put those things on my body, but I feel like they're going to be they're going to be everywhere. Hi. Just get my video. I love you. Let me record too.
Oh, you're not recording?
I'm recording.
Oh, I thought you said you wanted to record. I'm like, what?
I want to record your sexy legs. Legs for days.
I'm not happy with it.
Okay. Look at this bitch. Say hi. Okay, so we're shopping for sweatshirts. My friend wants to get a sweatshirt, so we're just waiting for her to talk and bargain, find out what she wants.
Why don't you guys like this one?
I don't like it because the pattern is too everywhere. Exactly. Just get a plain color like this one.
You want something?
This is like neon. This is
yeah.
nice. This is nice. Especially now, so you stand out like Miley behavior. Yeah, that's. I think this is. I don't know. It looks so pretty, like that way and this way. Oh my god.
Oh yes, it's like that. Like where's that?
I don't know where that is. Like a what? What else are you? Currently at the beach. You guys say hi.
Hi.
Let me say hi. You're trying to take the fish a picture. So we ate and we are just walking on the beach basically because we didn't come with swimwear, so we're not gonna swim. It's so nice to have water in your feet. The sand is trying to swallow me. Look at my stupid friends. Look at what they're doing. Trying to count the fishes they can see. You can see like really little fishes like in the water because the water is so clear. I'm gonna show you guys.
You went to the water. You're scared of water. You went to the water.
They're taking pictures. Salty. The fish! I want you guys to see the fish. Can you see it? Where is it? I know don't put my eyes. It's a video, you guys. Currently on rocks, man. Woo! Damn, the sun is so hot though. Hey, but I love the water here. Like I love the color, yeah, and it's not like the beach. It doesn't have waves or anything. It's just like a river. It's just flowing, but it looks really deep though. Stella just said this is the pool. Fomi said she's had her feel. Let's go forward.
We're going forward. Oh my god!
Okay, so look who finally went in the water. It's not even funny. Like my hair is wet. Everything about me is just wet right now. Like, okay guys, so we're just leaving the beach now. Waiting on our taxi to get here actually. But we're walking outside to sit and wait for him. I'm so tired. Like, we later went in the water. Hence my makeup getting off. Look at my friends here. Now I can't just wait to get home to sleep. I don't even have my shoes on, but whatever.
RGF production.
Boy, yeah. 17:30, I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Sent your pretty ass soon as you came in the door.